Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a border to a selection in Photoshop. Let's begin. Now see this image. See this image. Click for rectangle, select first of all. Then I select this, edit this border, press Ctrl J, FX and select border, red, change the color. Okay, size and rectangle. Again select this image, right click, ellipse marquee tool, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Then apply the same process. Press Ctrl J, click FX, stroke, change the color, add a shadow. Okay, now we can see this. Right now, add a border. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.